Hey, what's happening? Good morning. Go ahead and join me for some Qi Gong this morning. Qi Gong, I find, is such a great practice that doesn't take long. It just takes a few minutes. And it's great for getting the body moving started for the day, get the mind focused, but also brings in this sense of relaxation, but also that preparedness as well. So this is from the 8 brocades set. So if you want to join me, stand on up, make sure you got a little bit of space, and let's go through this flow. Just like I said, just takes a few minutes. So the thing with doing that practice, it's a great way for me to release tension out of my body. And when I'm going through the 8 brigade set, I get into like a meditative state. And now I'm feeling, I feel good. You get all those fundamental movements of the spine, of the shoulders, of the body. And I feel good now. I feel energized. And I'm ready for the tasks of the day. So if you enjoyed this practice, I'm not a Qi Gong master. I'm not a Qi Gong instructor or anything like that. I just like sharing my movement practices and what I'm doing. And then, you can go off and do your own research and all that stuff. Or you can just follow along with me and enjoy some movement here on Back to Primal. But if you enjoyed this today's session, hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment, be sure to subscribe. I'm just kind of documenting my movement and sharing my movement practices here on Back to Primal. Nothing formal, nothing crazy, anything like that. And just exploring, different movement patterns and what we can do as humans. It's pretty amazing. But I'm going to carry on to my day. I got to finish up what's going on inside of here. Finish up some painting and things. And all right, I'll see you guys back here next time.